A great way to spark creativity and hands-on fun is with an engaging outdoor play set. The best water table for kids adds excitement, sensory learning, and endless splashing activities, giving children a playful space to explore while staying active and entertained. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Step 2 Kids Water Table. The Step 2 Kids Water Table brings a full miniature water park experience to any backyard, giving toddlers an exciting mix of splashing, pouring, and hands-on discovery. Its design centers around a top waterfall tray that comes to life as soon as children scoop water from the lower pond and pour it overhead, releasing a cascading rainfall effect that instantly captures attention. As the water flows down, it sets the built-in maze of spinners, ramps, and buckets into motion, creating a dynamic chain reaction that encourages kids to experiment with cause and effect play. The maze pieces can be rearranged, ensuring every session feels new and keeps young minds engaged. Children especially enjoy using the handheld spinning wheel to create their own rainstorm or flipping small toys back into the pond with the playful side flipper. Designed with simplicity in mind, the table is easy to clean using standard wipes or household cleaners, making it a practical choice for families who want frequent outdoor fun without heavy maintenance. With its engaging water actions and interactive features, this table gives kids a sensory-rich environment that promotes creativity, coordination, and STEM-focused exploration in a way that always feels like pure play. Number 2. Pupu Pig Kids Water Table. The Pupu Pig Kids Water Table offers a remarkably versatile play experience by combining water play, imaginative kitchen activities, and fun fishing games in one engaging setup. This deluxe table allows children to engage in sensory exploration while developing coordination and creative thinking through a variety of hands-on features. Equipped with an electric faucet and a 360-degree rotating sunflower shower head, the table circulates water continuously, creating smooth streams that activate water slides and wheels for added excitement. Kids can adjust the direction of the shower, encouraging experimentation and discovery as they play. The large sink-style basin holds up to 4.9 liters of water and accommodates activities both indoors and outdoors, making it suitable for year-round use thanks to its heat and cold-resistant materials. The temperature-sensitive color-changing cup adds an extra layer of fun, reacting to warm water by changing shades and returning to normal when cooled. This additional interactive element helps spark curiosity and sensory learning. Packed with floating toys, play food, and fishing accessories, the table supports imaginative role play and keeps children entertained for long stretches. With removable legs for adjustable height, it grows with your child and adapts to various play environments, making it a practical and enjoyable addition to any play area. Number 3. Step 2 Waterfall Water Table. The Step 2 Waterfall Water Table introduces an exciting blend of interactive water features designed to keep children engaged through movement, experimentation, and collaborative play. One of its standout elements is the built-in misting feature, easily activated by attaching a standard garden hose, which adds a refreshing and visually captivating layer of fun. The table's removable legs make it especially adaptable, allowing little ones to enjoy ground-level play early on and then transition to elevated play as they grow. The customizable maze is a key highlight, giving kids the freedom to rearrange pieces and alter water flow patterns, encouraging problem-solving skills and creativity. With water cascading down both sides, the double-sided waterfall design ensures multiple children can interact simultaneously without crowding, making it ideal for siblings or group playdates. The motions created by the flowing water help stimulate sensory development, while the variety of components supports open-ended discovery. After playtime, the non-leak drain plug makes cleanup effortless, allowing parents to empty the basin quickly without mess. Designed to combine entertainment with developmental benefits, this water table provides a refreshing mix of active learning, outdoor fun, and hands-on sensory experiences that keep children coming back for more. Number 4. Step 2 Tropical Water Table. The Step 2 Tropical Water Table transforms outdoor play into a vibrant sensory adventure where children can splash, pour, and discover the magic of flowing water. Its centerpiece is a rain shower effect that realistically mimics rainfall as water pours from the elevated tray, creating soothing sounds and exciting visual movement that inspire curiosity. This feature naturally introduces early STEM concepts, giving kids an intuitive understanding of gravity, motion, and cause and effect. The table's large design encourages social play, allowing multiple children to gather around and participate together, which helps build communication and sharing skills. The included 13-piece accessory kit, featuring buckets, cups, and playful figurines, adds variety and endless ways to engage with the water. Families can also fill the basin with sand for even more sensory exploration, making the table adaptable for different types of imaginative play. Holding up to 5 gallons of water, it offers plenty of space for mixing, splashing, and interactive movement. Cleanup is easy thanks to the built-in drain plug, and assembly is straightforward, allowing the table to be ready for play in minutes. Durable and thoughtfully designed, this water table creates a lively and educational outdoor environment where children can explore textures, sounds, and water movement in a fun, tropical-themed setting. Number 5. Step 2 Summer Water Table. The Step 2 Summer Water Table brings children an immersive outdoor experience filled with splashing, pouring, and engaging hands-on play. Its standout feature is the charming rain shower effect, which sends water cascading down from the upper tray to create realistic rainfall sounds and motion that captivate kids instantly. This interactive element encourages imaginative storytelling while helping children naturally explore scientific principles like water flow, gravity, and cause and effect. The table offers a spacious design that comfortably accommodates multiple children, promoting cooperative play and social development as kids share accessories and experiment together. The included 13-piece toy set adds variety and keeps activities fresh, offering endless opportunities for scooping, funneling, and pretend adventures. With a durable, large-capacity basin that holds up to 5 gallons of water, kids have plenty of room to splash and explore, while the sturdy structure ensures it holds up well to outdoor use. The table can also be filled with sand for an additional sensory dimension, making it a versatile play option throughout the year. Cleanup is quick and simple thanks to the convenient drain plug, allowing parents to empty the water without hassle. Designed to spark creativity and encourage active play, this water table gives kids an enjoyable and educational way to stay entertained outdoors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.